Hello everybody, welcome to POV Driving. Today we're testing out the XC90 with the T8 Polestar engine. So this is top of the line XC90, over 400 horsepower. This here is Fabian, it's his father's car. Look at this key also, very, very high tech. Let's take it for a spin. This also has the inscription package, so we have chrome everywhere and top of the line luxury. How many horsepower did this car have?
I do believe about 421 horsepower.
421.
And torque of basically a battleship.
Yeah, but this is a huge car, so
yeah,
I'm not sure of the weight of it, but it's pretty heavy, I can imagine.
Over 2.5 tons.
Yeah, look at this 360 display here, very cool. And this knob here is something special, you said before.
Yes, it's from Orrefors.
Orrefors?
It's famous Swedish manufacturer of crystal glass.
Cool.
And it lights up during night.
Nice, nice. But yeah, this is completely quiet. This is a hybrid after all, so it's very fuel efficient and we have some extra power thanks to the electric engine. Electric steering, so it's very easy to steer. And yeah, complete silence in the cabin. We also have paddles on the steering wheel. So what different driving modes do we have here?
If you click the button, we have all-wheel drive, where it uses basically all-wheel drive, and pure, which is purely electric drive.
Right.
Hybrid, basically daily use.
Right.
Power, which is for performance, and it also lowers the vehicle.
Right, right.
Because of the new suspension.
Right. Yeah, you can hear the engine turn on when you push it.
And the steering also tightens up.
Right, right. Electrical steering.
Yeah, because it's electrical.
So the whole car basically adjusts to more dynamic driving.
Yeah. It's still a fridge, but it will move.
Right.
It will move.
A fast fridge.
Yeah.
Let's put our foot down here. Oh yeah, holy shit. Wow. Very, very powerful for being a fridge.
Yeah.
But yeah, you can feel in the corners that this is a big, big car.
It's a big car. But in a straight line it will move. But if you try to like throw it around, it will make some noise.
Right. The engine noise is not the best, but
no, it's both a compressor and turbo. Right. So that's what you get, but that's basically to be more efficient.
Right. Well, that's pretty cool. More technology, more stuff. Can't complain. More power. So.
Yeah, and more power, of course.
But yeah, very, very quiet cabin, and everything feels very, very high quality in here. You know, it's. You feel that this is an expensive car. I'm not sure what the price is base.
Around 1 million Swedish kronor.
Right, right. So yeah, it's a pretty expensive car, but you can really notice it, you know. Everything is solid as hell.
But yeah, 1 million, that's not sticker. That's with options.
Right, right.
And this one has everything, including the speaker system for...
Yeah, the Bowers and Wilkin system.
For I think just under 40,000.
Right, but yeah, you can really have a party in this car if you want to.
16 speakers, 1,600 watts, if I remember correctly.
Right, right. Very cool. So quiet also.
It is very quiet. Unless you have the speakers on.
Yeah. Good point. It's also very easy to drive, you know. I can imagine that anybody can jump into this car and take it out.
And anyone can like park it.
Right.
With the 360 camera.
Right, right, right.
It can also park itself, but I have never tried it.
Right. Because you're a man.
Yeah. I park myself.
We also have a digital display here. There's no analog.
Yeah. And you can put into the settings like whatever you want to see there. I've put up a map, you can see like infotainment and such.
Right, right. What happens if you put it into pure mode? How fast can you go with the only electric engine?
I think you can go like over 100.
Right.
Yeah, but in high speeds it will drain the batteries.
Right. But what happens when you put your foot down?
I think it will still activate the petrol engine.
Right.
But to be honest, I never drive in pure.
Right.
Always in hybrid or sport.
Right. But yeah, so easy to move around, and the turning radius is excellent.
Again, for being a fridge.
Yeah. This display here is also very high quality. All the cameras.
It's really good.
Everything is.
And if you want to, you can like click on one camera.
Right.
To see if you want to. Yeah, basically see more clear.
Cool. Very cool. And there's a Porsche Carrera GTS.
Nice.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
But I think we can keep up with him in a straight line, maybe.
Possibly, if we have a good day.
Yeah, we have a good day. Even the blinkers make a very sophisticated sound.
Yeah, it's all high quality.
Yeah. And over bumps, it just soaks up the bumps, and
especially like in this suspension setting. If you're in sport, it will be
more stiff,
like rougher.
Right.
But now you can just take any speed bumps in 50 easily.
Right. Yeah, good torque, even though uphill, even though you're in eco mode or whatever it's called.
Eco mode. But you saw there, like the gearbox wasn't really ready and stuff.
Right. It's a bit slower, but I can imagine.
That's what you get for trying to save the environment.
Right. Very cool.
And also it does have, since we have the new suspension, it has off-road mode.
Right.
Where it will actually race by, I haven't measured and I don't know, but like a significant amount.
Right.
A significant amount.
So you can basically go off-roading in this car without a problem also.
Yeah, you should be able to, but I don't think anyone will.
Right.
In a city Jeep.
Right. That's very cool. But yeah, what do you guys think of this new Volvo XC90 T8 Polestar? Leave a comment below and we can discuss it. I really enjoyed driving this car. It's a new experience. I've driven the D4 version before, and that's also a great car, but this is just another level thanks to the performance and all the hybrid technology. Big thank you to, I forgot your name, I'm an idiot. Fabian. Sorry. Big thank you to Fabian for letting me test drive his father's car. This is a great machine for excellent driving. But yeah, leave a comment below, subscribe to support us, and thank you for watching. My name is Nicholas, and this is POV Driving. Ciao!